Hey there everyone, are you tired of trying acne treatments that just don't work? You're not alone. Today we're diving into the evidence-based strategies for managing acne. From medications to lifestyle tips, we've got it all covered, backed by science. First, let's understand the basics. Acne happens due to a combination of excess oil production, clogged hair follicles, bacterial overgrowth, and inflammation. It's common, but it can impact your confidence and quality of life. Let's take a closer look at each of these factors. Excess oil, clogged follicles, bacteria, and inflammation all play a role in acne formation. Understanding these factors is key to effective treatment. Now that we understand the causes, we can explore effective treatments that target these specific factors. Let's move on to see what science recommends for managing acne. So with the right approach, significant improvements in acne can be achieved. It's not just about clear skin, but also about boosting confidence and overall well-being. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, but there are proven strategies that can help. Coming up, we'll explore these evidence-based treatments in detail. Stay with us to discover how you can take control of your acne and boost your confidence. Now, let's talk about treatments. Evidence-based management focuses on three main areas: topical treatments, oral medications, and lifestyle changes. Topical treatments are the first line of defense for mild to moderate acne. Evidence supports the use of benzoyl peroxide, reduces bacteria and inflammation. Topical retinoids, like tretinoin, they prevent clogged pores. Salicylic acid helps exfoliate and unclog pores. Azelaic acid, great for reducing redness and pigmentation. These are often available over the counter or as prescription strength options. Always start with a small amount to avoid irritation. For moderate to severe acne, oral medications can be game changers. Evidence-backed options include antibiotics, short-term use like doxycycline or minocycline to reduce inflammation. Although this may require a few months, using benzoyl peroxide with antibiotics can help curb antibiotic resistance. Hormonal therapies, birth control pills, or spironolactone for hormonal acne. Isotretinoin, a powerful option for severe scarring acne. This is usually prescribed by the dermatologist, but requires close monitoring for side effects. Talk to your family doctor or dermatologist about what's right for you. Never self-prescribe oral medications. Did you know your lifestyle plays a role? Here's what the evidence says. Diet. Reduce high glycemic foods and dairy. They can trigger acne for some people. Stress management. Stress increases cortisol, which can worsen acne. Try exercise. Skincare routine, use non-comedogenic products and don't overwash your face. Before we wrap up, let's bust some myths. Acne isn't caused by poor hygiene, so scrubbing your face won't help. Chocolate and greasy foods don't directly cause acne, but watch out for overall diet quality. Popping pimples? Big no, it can cause scars and infections. Managing acne takes time, patience, and evidence-based care. Consult a dermatologist for personalized treatment. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe to Dr. GT channel for more health tips, and share your acne journey in the comments below. Together we've got this.